Okay, so this video is for your step 3 getting to know Google Docs. And I just wanted to quickly show you some of the responses, what you're looking at and what you should be doing, okay? So one thing at the top of this is important. One of the rules and strategies we have in here is if you don't know how to do something, Google it, especially on this document. Or if you're still stuck, ask 3 before me. So find 3 other people you could ask before me, because those are things that other people can probably help. And if someone needs a mastery check or some of the other things that I have to do because I'm the only one who can do it, it just helps the class run more efficiently, if that makes sense. So copying and pasting, I think you know how to do that. The directions are right there. Inserting images. This toolbar across the top is going to be really important for you. This is where you would insert an image, okay? Number 3, underlining. That's these tools here that are really important. Boldface. If you hover over any of these, it should tell you on your Chromebook what that is. So here's bold. Here you can see italic. Here you can see underline, text color, and highlight color. So those are some things that are coming up. Over here you see a number, and this is your font. This is how you can change the size, and this is the style of your font that you can make different choices with. So underlining, I've shown you where that is. Font size, italic, bold, your favorite font. Doesn't matter to me what it is. Just find one that you like and use it. Highlighting and using a cursor for number 8. So when you highlight something, I will do it for you quickly to show you. You can see, let me move my head. You can see right here is some tools, comment, add an emoji, or suggest and edit. So follow the directions, but once you've highlighted on it, then you can make that comment. And then when you make a comment, it is asking you to remember to save that comment. So once I start typing in it, make sure that comment is saved, okay? I will get rid of that one in a minute. Number 9, squiggly lines. You should have that feature turned on your Chromebook. If not, you need to turn it on, and it will let you know when things are misspelled by underlining them, or at least telling you, hey, the computer has a question about this. We don't think it's right. So then you know when you right-click on these, it will correct it for you. Number 10, this one stumps some people. It's when you are adding hyperlinks. So there's a video here that I would encourage you to check out. Okay? It's 15, oh, here's the ad part of it. But it will show you creating hyperlinks in a Google Doc. So I would encourage you to check that out. That might help. But basically, a hyperlink is when you highlight what you want, and up here is how you insert a link. So if I had to link this to a picture of a dog, I would have found the link to the picture of the dog, copied it. You can search here, but it's just going to search what's in your drive. But if you have found the picture of the dog, copied the link, and then insert that link, here I could paste it and apply it, and then it would turn it into a hyperlink. I mean, I don't have a URL there. But that's how you work number 10, creating hyperlinks. Highlighting, I've shown you number 11. Color of text, I've shown you that. The paint can. A lot of times people will come up and say, I can't find the paint can. You may not have it across the toolbar unless you hit more, and then your paint can might show up. On your Chromebook, you also might have a different order of your tools as opposed to where mine are, but I'm just showing you what kinds of things you would look for. So these 3 dots are the symbol for more. So when you click on it, it gives you more options that just don't fit across the top. And that's where you find that paint can for a background color. Double spacing, hugely important, and this whole piece of information is important to you. Again, there's a video there of what to do. Inserting a row below. Your right click is really an important one to do this. And as you can see, when you're in a box and I right click, there's insertions, deletions, merging and unmerging, that kind of stuff. 14 and 15, 16 is showing me that you know how to do that. Going through this document is going to save you a huge amount of time. I highly encourage you to do this. And then submit this so I see that you've got it done. Okay? So good luck with that, and let me know if you have questions, but remember to ask 3 before me.